Hey everyone, guys, in this quick guide, I will show you how to remove a payment method on Uber Eats. So, managing your payment methods is very, very simple, and I'll guide you how to do this step by step. But first things first, guys, what you want to do is you want to open the Uber Eats app and just log in. So, launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone and make sure that you're actually signed into your account. And then what you want to do, guys, next is you want to just, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you just want to select wallet. Okay, select wallet from the menu, and basically this is where you manage all your payment methods. Then what you want to do, guys, is you want to find the payment method that you actually want to remove. So you want to basically scroll through the list of the saved payment options and just locate the one that you actually want to delete. And then what you want to do, guys, is you want to tap on the payment method and look for the option to remove or delete. Okay, confirm this action when you are prompted. And guys, I'm going to give you some troubleshooting tips. So if the remove option isn't available, what you can do is you can ensure that the payment method isn't tied to an active order. Okay, you may need to add a new payment method first if it's the only one that is actually saved. And if you're still having issues, guys, what you can do is you can contact Uber Eats support for further assistance. And there you have it, guys. You have successfully removed a payment method from Uber Eats. And make sure, guys, your account always has an up to date payment option for hassle free orders. Thanks for watching, guys.